Okay, we're back and we're finally finished with lesson number 4. So we've learned a whole lot about how things move and why things move, and then we also learned about energy and power. So, quiz question number 1. What are the metric units for speed? Okay, it was distance divided by time, so it would be meters per second. What does a force do? Okay, a force is a push or a pull. Number 3, if you threw a ball in outer space where there is no gravity, and that really is impossible because there's always gravity, even if deep outer space, you're always feeling the gravity of every star and every planet in the entire universe. But let's just assume, for the sake of argument, that the gravity is really small. So if you threw a ball in outer space where there's no gravity, how far would it go? Okay, it would go forever at a constant speed in a straight line. And then which law of nature? Newton's first law of motion. The formula for angular momentum is L for angular momentum equals R times M times V. For a planet orbiting the sun, the R would be its distance from the sun. So the distance from the planet to the sun, that would be the R that goes into that formula. Potential energy is the energy something has because of its position. Kinetic energy is the energy something has because of its speed, okay, motion. Then what is the difference between energy and power? So energy is that thing that you give something that causes it to change in some way, and then power is the rate at which you either generate energy or it could be the rate at which you use up energy. So it would be the energy that's generated or used up divided by the amount of time it takes it to do it in. All right, so there you go. So that is the end of lesson number 4. And then in lesson number 5, we're going to apply this along with the concept of gravity to explain the motions of planets as they go around the sun, and then also the other types of orbits that a rocket ship can have. So I will see you then.